that how this belt goes. Okay, and firstly check that this upper area is in this side and that is downside, and it starts in this alternator in that way, and then when I move this belt in a little bit longer, I have to hook that belt through that alternator, and then there is this water pump, and now this belt makes like again hook in this AC compressor, and this is this thing what we need to remember. And then we go in that next area, and in this crankshaft area we take this our belt in here, it goes in that area totally, and then we go through that tensioner part, and these areas are very tight because there is this bolt. And then when we have managed to install that in this power steering vane pump, then I open this alternator point, and now this belt is ready for this final, this again this tensioner compression. Now when belt is in here waiting, then I take this my 19mm socket and I install that again in this bolt, tensioner bolt in here. And now it's good to keep hand in this belt, and then I start to again compress, and I need to compress that like 3 seconds that it goes, it stops, and then I can again install this belt, and now I can notice that it is not coming in here, and it is good to check always that this belt is in these rails. Let's go to loop. It means that there are those holes, and in that belt area they are similar, that this belt is all in areas like in deep in this wheel. Now I test these all parts, that belt is well in there, and then I compress that my belt in here tight, because as we've seen this was difficult, and now I again start to compress this my tensioner. Now it's end, and then I try to install this my belt. Now it opens. This is normally here again. Okay, good. And now I manage to install this belt. Good. And now everything looks fine. And then final step is to check that this belt is in all areas in fine. This alternator point, and then water pump area in here. Check that this is in this way, and then tensioner also in here. We look in this side area that this is in AC computers area. It is nicely, and then we go to crankshaft. Crankshaft, check also that both sides are fine, and then tensioner. Tensioner is in this way, and then this vane and steering pump is in this way. Good. When we look in this alternator area, when all belts are in same line, everything is fine. And now this job is ready. And thank you for watching, my friend, and thumbs up that if you think that this is useful information to you.